we just got our stuff. Ice cream, Mariela ice cream and everything, and coffee, what you wanted. And I see that here the beach is like they're like blocking you like to go here because probably a private one, and you actually have to, I don't know, probably it's like pay here. But we're traveling with a really small budget, so we're just basically going to put our beautiful little towels here. Oh my god, the water! Oh my god, the water! Before it's so blue. Oh my god, this water! This is a dream. And the people here, they sell coconut, like fresh coconut in the beach, you know. But even though they still don't speak English, but they are really cool guys, you know. They sell also beers and everything. It's really cool. And you know, tomorrow is gonna be October, but there are so many people, and the water guys is so blue. Not many people. It hit my back, but I really have burned. But anyway, I actually never used also sun cream, so it's normal, you know. I was so white and so white. I've been in Finland like 2 months and I was so white. I'm gonna get back there. We're going to find a place to eat, like a restaurant or anything, but not croissants or sweets as they have everywhere here. Maybe, I don't know, something better, but they have a beautiful case right here. Maybe they have a restaurant there inside. We're going to check it out. There, look, I love these beautiful trees. And the mountain right there, it's like abandoned small type of village. Probably they would like try to build something there, you know. And just something happened and it didn't. Anyway, I think this might be a restaurant or a hotel room, I don't know. We can go and check it out. Can we just even walk from there? I haven't seen any restaurants on the way here. I've seen only these sweet places. That's so cool. I wanna swim under this place here. I don't know if you can see the water. It's just so much turquoise. Trust the people. Hello. Banana. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful port here. Sorry, I'm screaming in the microphone. So, Mariela, what is your opinion? Here, I think we're good here. Whoa. There are many locals here, so that means probably it's good. I got this double hamburger. Myla got, of course, spaghetti here. The city's special spaghetti. And we'll see how it is. You know, I always like to wait Mariela for example, when the food comes for her, but the problem is that now I can't because it's gonna get cold, you know. My food's gonna get cold and maybe I can eat later. But I will show you what Mariela got. What?
It's a bit small, the meat.
Well, at least there are two. Oh, Mariela's food is coming. Please.
Thank you. Do you have
Thank you.
Parmesan cheese?
Parmesano.
Parmesan.
Okay?
Formaggio.
Yes. Okay. My friend, ketchup, chili. Okay, thank you. I'm eating it this way because I don't have such a wide mouth to eat it that way. Now look at here Mariela's food. Of course, you will take the special thing because she's special, and special people need special things. Maybe like me, I'm also very special guy.
You're very special.
I have no idea how am I going to edit all these videos. Never mind. Enjoy, sweetie. Oh, you have also those.
Yeah.
I don't know, now I feel like eating some fruit or I don't know, drink a beer again. And well, they have many fruits here. What is that?
It's like a lemon. Yeah, I think it's the special lemon for the limoncello.
I don't know. Is it from cactus? Cactus. So do you just actually eat this like normally? Do you want?
Grapes.
Hello.
Hello.
Grapes or anything like a drink?
A drink. Like they
Drink.
have lemon soda.
Okay, you have lemon soda?
No lemon soda.
No lemon. Beer.
Beer? Yes.
What beer is this?
Fine. Holy beer.
Very good. I might take this one. It's really big though. Huh?
That's huge.
What about you? What about you?
I can take a Coca-Cola Zero.
Coca-Cola Zero. Keep this. How can I reach there now? Which one I should get? Deck. Somewhere Denarato. Maybe this one. Can you reach it? They have beer with lemon if you want. Before I close the video, actually, I had some ideas. Not ideas, but I just want to make some, I don't know, like, say it. When I went to Italy, I really searched which are the more criminal countries. I've said also in my other videos, but because I'm about to upload this one first, then I'll say also this one. I really saw Italy. It was on the highest crime rates in the entire Europe, especially Sicily and like all this like big island right here. And I don't really know why. I mean, like I don't know where is the crime rates. I don't know where's like the dangerous people here. There are some like cool guys, some like cool cars and everything, but they seem pretty legit and everything. As a last night on our holidays and on generally on like going out and everything, we're gonna go to Milano tomorrow, but I don't think we will actually have time to eat or like go see the place and everything because we have like many stuff to do before that. We came here in this restaurant in Palermo. It's a really cool place. Expensive, really expensive. I just came with my shorts and everything. My ally just like came like with normal clothes, just like have shorts too. And they just like looking at me, and it's like really like card place. They wear shirts and everything. Everybody coming here, they have like made the place already. You can see the guy actually cooking right there, and it's like doing everything. He's like drawing or something. We paid those plates 50 euros. I mean, it's not enough because in Brescia we could actually, with 50 euros, 25 each, we could eat anything. We could eat anything we wanted with no stop, as much as you can eat, which it was, in my opinion, perfectly worth it. But it's alright. So right now we're gonna eat those here and everything, and if we are hungry we might eat something here. If we're not fully full, we can. Oh, that's so sweet. Hello, sir. I just want to look. Thank you. No, thank you. I just want to look. But no sunglasses. I want this. I can put here inside the money. I can put money. How much is this? Oh my god, I love this type of streets right there. But we really have to go this way because we are flying in like 5 hours and a half, so we must be at the airport 6 o'clock. Now it's almost 1, so we're just going to be record everything from here as the last night.
Cool place.
It's a really cool place. There were so many people down there.
At
And
least they will found many things.
yeah, exactly. And also, this way is better. We didn't know that even like this like center, the clubs, the pubs there. I don't think there was clubs there, but there was like, I don't know, something like coffee type place. They have so many beautiful things here. I love this type. As the last video of this beautiful adventure.
We're back here in the airport.
We're again back in this airport that we stayed the entire night. We're flying in like 4 hours from now. We're going to Latvia. From Latvia we're going to Helsinki. Actually no, Turku, right?
Turku.
We're going to Turku. It's close to Helsinki, and then we have to sleep there one night. So hopefully we're gonna get there, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. Right now we're just like eating a bit here. Mariela got too much hungry, so she always like these salads and everything.
I love cheese.